So right now we are moving all of the tiles onto the roof. Because you tile from the bottom edge up, we have to get them all on the roof. So at the moment we're basically just stacking them up there. Super bright sun right now. Stacking them up on the roof. And then we can start from this side up. I've just built like a little basic frame to hold the ladder because the tiles would come 5 centimeters over the end. So we need to just make sure that's kind of got the space and we're not going to damage stuff with the ladder we just have. So yeah, a lot of tiles. We're about 750 tiles to put up there. Works out to be something like 22 tiles or 25 tiles per square meter. So it's quite a lot of tiles you need. I'm hoping we have enough because obviously a lot broke when we took them off the roof, but we had a lot spare. Now we've got to cut the tiles. So we have shorter to them, so basically third each side. So you can see the roof is, this piece is half done. Need some more tiles. I'll buy modern tiles which we'll leave underneath because we've got enough to tile the top of the roof with the old ones. But yeah, I don't have quite enough to do it, so I need to buy 150 more tiles. That'll do the whole underside of the top half of the roof. Then we can do definitely good ones for old ones for the top and along the ridge line. So it's important to kind of keep it, I don't know, for me, keep the style of it. These beautiful old tiles. And today's a glorious day. It's late November. As you know, the vlogs are behind because we're gonna go to Cuba and Mexico. We probably can't upload there, or definitely can't upload in Cuba. So we run behind, stack up the content and we can let it go. So we're always trying to do a weekly thing. For YouTubers who don't travel so much, it's probably a bit easier because you can just always have reliable internet. But we just have to run a little bit behind, and because we're going to go away, we're running about 1 to 2 months behind. So but anyway, beautiful November day, late evening or in the evening, and it's just gorgeous. This is why I love this part of the world. So because we didn't have enough tiles for the roof, and we've already tiled the bottom half, we're going to have to lift them up over the edge, else we're going to have to walk up and down the tiles and it's going to end up breaking some, which will be a pain. So I'm going to use this carton system. Hopefully lift them all up. Only 150 more, and really amazingly, I was going to go and try and buy some, but then our neighbours happened to have a load, Carmen and Enrique, so they built us up 150. Pretty cool. So today we're going to finish the roof, and that means we're going to cement that top ridge line. So we mix up cement, we're going to pass it up in the little bucket and just make it happen. Pretty much just basically concreting this up. What we'll probably do afterwards, if there's any cracks or gaps, just come over with Rapid and just fill it all up. But yeah, it uses quite a lot of cement, but the end result should be pretty strong. Just need to tidy this one up. going around and brushing off any of the excess, just to make it tidy really. Really nice. This roof is overlooked by half the village, so might as well make it try and look half decent. What did you do? So now we're gonna basically take this window out, and the same way we do the other ones, we're gonna frame it in the new window. And at the same time, while this is going on, we're starting to build out the structural framework for the floor around the fire. It's got these vents which go around the top and bottom of the chimney, the white thing. We just need to basically build it all in, and I'll pour cement over it at the end. But for now, so basically, to make this level, I've cut wedges to fit against the beams, and then now the wedges means that the metal framework can be straight, and I can screw into something. Genius. So same process as the other windows. Lots of screws coming out of the framing. We've got the window level now, and basically it's just a matter of cement it in with rapid. Make it nice and strong. There's still some nails in the old face which will just all bond it together. It's going to be great. So here we have it, the window is in, really sturdy and strong as always. It's going to be a beautiful window, great view. These windows are solid oak from a company called La Paillere in France. So I drive to Toulouse, pick up the windows, come back. But they're basically solid oak and pretty good value for money. Really, they look great as well. Really happy with them. So this boxed off area is one room. This here, leaning up to that big window, is the master bedroom. And in this corner here, going up into that side, is going to be the bathroom. So I'm just trying to work out now whether I cap the roof and have like another storage area, or whether I have the bathroom to the ceiling. My gut feel is that actually the bathroom will be aesthetically nicer with a high flat roof, but it just needs a bit more thought really. So I had to cut a hole through the wall, and this is for the fire, the back of the fire. So you've got two options. You can have your fire and it draws the oxygen from the room, but that means it's sucking in cold air from somewhere. So this goes all the way through the wall. It was a bit of luck really. No massive stone in the way. You can see how the pipe come through. I'm just going to fill it in now with a bit of rapid cement. The back of the fire, these are the two pipes which will go to my heating, to a pump and things, and this is the inlet for the air. So yeah, it has to go through the wall, but obviously the walls are really thick, so you know, all you have to do is come across one big rock and it's a real pain. So a bit of luck there. So this hole is going to be for the waste pipe. I'm going to have a force wall here, so I want to basically bring it up, have it exit within the space. I'm going to have to pull away a little bit more, but yeah, I think this is basically going to work. Pretty dusty work doing that big angle grinder cutting, big diamond disc in it, and yeah, so this is the hole now. This pipe will be able to come up and turn. So this will be my main waste pipe. I might have a separate waste pipe in the corner where I'm going to have a shower, but other than that, it's just trying to get all the dirty work done, like cutting big holes in the houses, drilling holes through the walls. If I can get a lot of those done before I go away, when I come back, everything will be a little bit easier, a little bit less, you know, filthy. I can just get the stuff done. It's great that I can open up all these windows and doors though for the dust, because it's, well, you saw this place just turned into like a smoke pit of really unpleasant ceramic and building dust.
I really wanted to get the roof done before Christmas, and because we're going away after Christmas, the pressure was on to get the roof fully done and dusted.
So this gentleman is Kite Van Man. Right now we're going to France.
Why you don't want me to film it?